In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not receiving calls. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and fix this, regardless of whichever iPhone you have. Now, if you're not receiving calls, that can be quite annoying. So the first thing I want you to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel, and just make sure that your volume slider is actually up so you actually can hear things. And also, the focus mode needs to be changed if it's on. So for example, if you're on do not disturb or anything else, that could literally be why you're not getting any notifications for calls. So you might be receiving them, but not getting notified that you're actually receiving them. So if you are on any do not disturb mode, go ahead and turn that off. Then from there, go over to settings. And obviously just make sure you're not on anything like airplane mode either, because that's going to obviously allow you to not get any phone calls. But once you're in settings, go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see mobile service as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now from here, go over and scroll down again, and you're going to see SIMs. Go to the one that is your main phone number and go ahead and click on it. Now where it says turn on this line, you want to make sure that it is turned on and enabled. Now the next thing I would go ahead and recommend is go over to search on the bottom and then just go ahead and type in phone and then go over to the app section. Now go ahead and scroll down here, and where it says screen unknown callers, yours might be on silence or ask reason. You want to switch it to never. And as for call filtering, switch that off as well. And then you should be able to, get all the calls. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.